Bunga. I'm from A grade at Pandiwana Junior High School. I'm going to show you how to wash our hands without wasting water. First, turn on the faucet and wash our hand with running water. Next, turn off the faucet, apply hand soap. After that, rub our hands together, starting from the backs of hands, between the fingers, and under the nails for 20 seconds. Turn on the faucet and wash our hands with clean water. Then, turn off the faucet, our hands with a tissue. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you